Hey, YouTube creators, want to skyrocket your channel's growth and finally crack the code to YouTube success? Then stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing how vidIQ can be your ultimate secret weapon. Plus, I've got a special link in the description that you won't want to miss. Alright, let's get straight into it. If you're like me, you've probably felt the sting of spending hours crafting a video only to see it flop. Or maybe you're struggling to break through and get those views and subscribers you deserve. Don't worry, I've been there. Step 1, install vidIQ. It's a browser extension that's super easy to set up. Just head over to the Chrome Web Store, search for vidIQ, and click Add to Chrome. Easy peasy, right? Now once you've got vidIQ up and running, it's time to dive into the dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. First up, the keyword research tool. This is your best friend for discovering what your audience is searching for. Type in a keyword related to your niche and let vidIQ do its thing. Now check out the search volume and competition score. Aim for keywords with high search volume and low competition. This combo is your golden ticket to ranking higher in search results. Seriously, this alone can make a huge difference. Next, let's talk about vidIQ's video scorecard. This feature gives you a comprehensive breakdown of how your videos are performing. You get insights on views, watch time, engagement, and even SEO metrics. It's like having a personal YouTube coach. But wait, there's more. The competitor analysis tool is a game changer. Ever wonder what your competitors are doing right? With vidIQ, you can spy on their trending videos, tags, and strategies. Learn from the best and adapt those tactics to your own channel. And here's a pro tip: use vidIQ's thumbnail generator. Thumbnails are crucial for grabbing attention, and vidIQ helps you create eye-catching ones quickly. No more guessing what works, you'll have data-driven designs that get clicks. By now you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but does it really work? Trust me, it does. I've seen my own channel's growth explode since using vidIQ, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get started with vidIQ today. Your YouTube success is just a few clicks away. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on conquering YouTube. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.